Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. We're down at the flying field on a lovely winter's day in the UK and I have here the OMP Hobby T720. This is OMP's little trainer electric airplane pusher. And made from this nice EPO foam, so it's going to be very resilient to any knocks that you might give it, especially with the propeller behind. It's not going to get damaged. Comes with everything that you need in the box, except not the AA batteries you need to put in the transmitter. This plane has a stabilizer on board, so it'll be really nice actually in this wind. And on the transmitter, show Jason, who's on camera today, 2 modes. So you've got normal and sport mode, and there's a trick button as well, which I guess allows you to do loops and rolls when you're in normal mode, because I'm guessing it will prevent you from rolling inverted when you're in normal mode, but in sport mode it will allow you to do inverted by yourself. So let's get it in the air, let's see how it flies. Right, so this is the sport mode, so it's unlocked the ability to fly inverted, so I can do loops and rolls. It's kind of fun to play around with in the wind. And despite the strong wind, it's got enough power to cope with it. If I go back into beginner mode again, it's now fully stabilized again. You can see how well it copes with the wind. Until it stalls. So you do have to keep back into sport mode. You can really fling it around, so good for somebody who definitely great as a first plane. If you want to learn to fly RC, you've got everything that you need in the box, less the AA's to go in the transmitter. Fly in this beginner mode to start off with, get confident with your orientation.
And does it come with a charger, Dom?
It comes with the USB lead to charge the battery, so yes.
Okay.
Literally all you need are the AA's to go in the transmitter. Yeah, so when you've got confident with it, you can have some fun with it and put it in the sport mode. Brilliant. So there we go, it's the OMP Hobby T720, a great first plane. Highly recommend this as a first plane to learn radio control model flying. Look it up, it's in the link is in the video description. Take you to the Banggood website and you can look at the price. But this is the T720. It's a lot of fun, even on a breezy day like today. So thanks to Jason on camera.
No worries.
And we'll see you for the next flight test. See you soon.